In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to do bank transfers in Xero. This is useful for moving funds between your business bank accounts and keeping your financial records organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. You'll now see a list of your connected bank accounts. Select the bank account you want to transfer money from. Once you've selected the account, look at the top right corner and click on Manage Account. A menu will appear with several options. Under the New section, select Transfer Money. A transfer form will now appear. First, check the From Account field to make sure the correct account is selected. Next, click on the To Account field and select the bank account where you want to transfer the money. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a reference or description to help you identify the transaction later. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything is correct, click Transfer. The transfer will now be recorded in Xero and the balances of both accounts will be updated. And that's it. You've successfully completed a bank transfer in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.